Good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is me, Millennial Investor 1914, back here for the 1 and 2. You guys know I bring the sauce because I'm saucy. Yes, I just had a birthday, so I'm 1 year older. I'm 35 years old, but most importantly, we here for that dividend growth action. Yes, hey, this is December 2023. We embarking going to 2024. My portfolio is solid. It is growing. As you see right now, my portfolio value is at $48,811. And what you're going to see is that I made some big moves in my portfolio. Big moves in my portfolio. Big just news and what I wanted to do going forward. So I decided that by me turning 35 years old, I have roughly 15 to 20 years that I want to continue to invest to grow my portfolio, uh, total returns, all that jazz. And what I did was, what you're going to see is that in my dividend income, I was making like 1,650. I was approaching 1,700, but I realized that I had several high yielding stocks, which is nothing wrong with that. I love high yielding stocks, but I want to grow a big enough portfolio balance in terms of total return to compound my dividends, compound my portfolio value so that within 15, 16 years, I need some compounders. I need some stocks that's going to compound, that's going to help me along my journey. I need at least 3 to 4 workhorse stocks that's going to propel my portfolio up so that when in 15 to 16 years, I'll be roughly 50 years so that I can sell those low yield but high growth stocks. And then I can just dump it into more high yielding stocks like EPD, SCHD, what else? ARCC, and so on and so on. And so what you'll see is that I took a step back right now in the present so that I can make more money passively in the future so that as I invest into my low yielding stocks now, I have some high yielders in my portfolio. We're going to go through that, but I want to compound my wealth and my money now through investing into Bitcoin, investing into Nvidia, investing into Apple, Microsoft, Eli Lilly, a stock that you probably haven't heard of. It's a pharmaceutical company, and compound my money, compound my wealth, so that I can eventually sell it in the future. Ooh, that was a mouthful, but we're gonna get to it. So right here, you see, here's my portfolio balance. We're going to hopefully, if thing here with there we go. So here's just to show you. Here is the cost and the market value for my particular stocks that I have in my portfolio. Right here. So here is my dividend dashboard. As you see, my dividend portfolio has been going up. I'm slowly approaching $50,000. Poured and trying to do this. What's the name is that everything is gets stuck. And so here it shows my dividend yield on cost on my certain stocks. You'll see that my dividend yield on cost for Mo Ultra Group is roughly 9.5%. And then the second highest is O Realty Income. And here, see Eli Lilly. This is what I wanted to show you guys right here. So I have 19 holdings, and right here it shows that in 5 years I will have a portfolio balance of $89,000. In 10 years, so within 15 years, I will have a portfolio value balance of $319. And what I plan on doing is that I'm in the process of dumping between $10,000 to $12,000 into my dividend growth portfolio. Here is my dividend growth portfolio right here. So this is my whole entire portfolio right here. My portfolio is at $48,837. And I wanted to show you guys what I've been doing. So I bought I bought more Aapl. I was at 19 shares. Now I'm at 24 shares of Aapl. Since then, I received a dividend, and AbbVie, I bought at $950 worth of Broadcom, which is put me up to 6 shares. I was at 5 shares. I've started a new position with Costco because my new goal and what I'm trying to do is to I'm focusing on more so total return. And with stocks total return, as you see, like Costco, it has a dividend yield uh, less than 1%, but it compounds in the long run, 10 to 15 years, 20 years. And that's what I'm thinking right now. As in, I'm still investing into stocks like Chevron that has like a 4.5% dividend yield, which I added more to this. I had 7 shares, now I have 10 shares. EOG is energy. I bought 3 shares of Home Depot, and so Home Depot is roughly, I want to say it's around 2.5%, 3%. I want to say it's 2.5%, and so I'm definitely still sticking with like my Home Depots. I started a new position with JP Morgan Chase to really focus on that total return basis. Kroger is a consumer staple stock. I bought 12 and a half shares of Kroger. Now, so this place is more so income based. I want to continuously to buy Kroger because in my mind, I'm buying more so. If you see my portfolio, it's heavily on the tech, so that on in the next bull run, I want my portfolio to be uplifted with the next bull run of me investing into the Nvidias, the Broadcoms, the semiconductor stocks, the Apples, the Microsofts of the world, and then also I have just compounders. I have Eli Lilly, and Microsoft is a consumer discretionary. I'm going to invest in stocks like this consistently still, so because I know whether we are in a bull run or in a bear market, people are continuously still going to go to McDonald's to buy some fries or a Big Mac. I have Mo and Ultra Grip. I actually bought $500 worth of Mo, which puts my dividend income to, I want to say, more than $130 per year, or $130 on an annualized basis. And right here, my shares of Microsoft. So these past several months, I've actually bought a lot of shares of Microsoft, and into the future, my heavy hitters is going to be Aapl, Microsoft, Eli Lilly. What else? Visa. I'm going to. I plan on also next week selling UNH and start a new position in something called Bro Rich, and it's really one of those toll boost companies. So I want to invest in Visa, build my position in Visa, but then also build my position in Bro Rich as well, because I want those toll booth companies in my portfolio. It's a tech company as well, and it continuously gain money. It continuously gain in regards to total return. And so as you see my portfolio, as I'm shaping out my portfolio, I sold ARCC, Arbor Realty Trust. No, not Arbor Realty Trust, but ARCC, I forgot what it's called, but it's a high yielding stock. I sold uh, Enterprise Products, EPD, the energy, oil and gas storage company. And then I also sold Owl Rock Capital. I really love Owl Rock Capital, but those 3 companies was 10% yield, 10% yield, and then 7%. And yes, with me selling those stocks, I sacrificed and lost over $250 worth of dividend income. And so I know a lot of you guys will be like, man, Kadir, why did you do that? Why did you just sell those 3 companies? You was making over $250 with those 3 companies. True. But by me sacrificing that, I utilized those funds and I put into Costco, Visa, Microsoft, Aapl, and then also going to start a new position with Bro Rich. And I sacrifice the income now. And so as you see right here, my dividend income, annual income, it was around 1,650. I was close to 1,700. Right now, I'm close to around 1,500. So with the other dividend stocks that I recently bought, with the JP Morgan, the Home Depot, I bought a little old realty income. I was able to make up some of the dividend income that I lost, but I'm sacrificing now so that if I by me investing to these by investing to these stocks in regards to total return, the Costco's, the Visas, the Broadridge, the Eli Lillys of the world, Microsoft, and also Apple, I'm within 10, 15, 20 years, most definitely, I can see my money doubling, tripling, quadrupling, and then that's my net worth. And like I told you, I need at least 3 to 4 heavy hitter horses that's going to propel my portfolio into the future, so that I want my portfolio to just outrun itself, outpace itself in the next bull run, so that I can sell a lot of those low yielding stocks, and then I can put those funds into my realty income, start a position in JEPI in the future, and then also put into maybe ARCC again, Owl Rock Capital, and then still have other stocks in the background to lift my portfolio, as in Costco, Microsoft. Forever going to keep my Microsoft, my Home Depots of the world, my Starbucks, and then my Snap-ons, and then also have Visa and my energy stocks. But for the most part, just I and then also I started a new position in Nvidia, and that's not really considered a dividend growth stock, but I'm investing to semiconductors, and I want my semiconductors to roam free, to compound, to grow. I want my Bitcoin to compound and grow. I want my house net worth and value to compound and grow, so that in 10 years, 15 years, I can sell those, dumping it into JEPI and my high yielding stocks, and then so I can really live off of it. And then for me to retire at age 50 and live in Brazil or the Philippines, or to live in Colombia. Who knows? But the goal is for me to invest into assets, for it to grow, and then for me to live off of it. And I have some high yielding stocks, but I really need stocks right now. I'm planning. I'm goal planning. I'm looking, thinking strategic. 10 to 15 years down the line, I need stocks that's going to be able to appreciate, and that's going to quadruple its value. Tech is the future. Semiconductors is the future, and so that's what I plan to do. And then lastly, just wanted to show you guys. How much I made. So in the month of November, I really made. I didn't make too much money in the month of November. I didn't make too much money in the month of November, so I received a dividend of $28.98 from AbbVie, $12.52 in realty income. It's a monthly paying dividend. I received $5.80 so far for Aapl. My new position in Costco, $1.08. And then Starbucks, I received $17.41. And I recently had Williams Sonoma, and I had EPD, and so I had received like $15 in EPD, and I received $10 in Williams Sonoma. Came out to like roughly $95, $99. And so I took a step back and wanted to start to have this total return for Costco, Aapl, and then I want to stick with investing to AbbVie and also Starbucks. So most importantly, I'm looking forward to my dividend income for the month of December. For the month of December, I'm looking to make over $170. And so in my video next month in regards to my dividend income, we'll talk about that. But hopefully you guys really enjoyed my video, really enjoy seeing just my progress, really seeing my progress that I've made in my dividend portfolio. In 2024, I plan to invest $10,000 to $12,000 per month, and hopefully get my portfolio up to roughly 60,000. That's the goal. I'm at 48,000 now. My goal is to get to reach 60,000, and then hopefully I'm trying to churn and put as much money in my portfolio now to hit $100,000 in my dividend growth portfolio. So if you enjoyed this announcement and this update, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Follow your boy. Show your boy some love. Peace.